Mount Litra Z School Alwar welcomes you all in the sixth assignment of Maths Grade 2. Today the date is 5 May 2020 and the day is Tuesday. Stop being afraid of what could go wrong and think of what could go right. You are confined only by the walls you built yourself. A very cheerful morning to all. This is Divya Kapoor, your maths teacher. Hope you all are fine and safe at your home. So let's start our today's work. Today we are going to start a new chapter number 3, addition 1 to 500. Students, you have already learned about this chapter in grade 1. So let's have a look on the topics you must know. Things you should know are: add two one-digit numbers, add a two-digit number with one-digit number, horizontal and vertical addition, add two-digit numbers, and story sums. You must know about all these topics as you have learned all these topics in your previous class. So let's start our today's work. Let's have a look on today's topics. Today's learning points are: add three-digit number and one-digit number, add three-digit number and two-digit number, add three-digit number and three-digit number. We are going to cover these three topics today. So first, let's learn about the chapter name, addition. What is addition? When we put things or numbers together, we count them together. This is known as addition. The result we get by counting is known as the sum. Here is the sign of addition also. Plus is the sign of addition. So let's start with our first topic. What is our first topic? Add three-digit number and one-digit number. This is our first topic. So let's start it. We can add a three-digit number and one-digit number by counting forward. Let's learn more about it by example. So here is the example. Add 134 and 5. We start at 134 and jump 5 places forward. Means you can see the tiles here and each tile is having one number. The counting is started from 134. This is the forward counting, 134, 135 and so on till 143. As our first number is 134, so we will start jumping from 134. So here is the first jump, 134 to 135. Second jump, 135 to 136. Third jump, 136 to 137. Fourth jump, 137 to 138. And the last jump means fifth jump, 138 to 139. So where we stop now? On which number? The number is 139. Means 134 plus 5 is 139. You can use your fingers also. As 5 is one digit number, you can use your finger to count. You can open your 5 fingers to count it. We can also arrange the numbers in columns of hundreds, tens and ones to add the numbers. You can see here is the box given to you, and on the first line it is written HTO. HTO means the place value. So in addition, the place value of each number is very much important because the first number is 3 digit and the second number is 1 digit. So 3 digit number is having all three values, 100, tens and ones. But in 1 digit we are having only ones because 5 is 1 digit number, only ones is there. So you have to remember the place value of each number and you have to place the numbers according to their place value only. So here HTO, then the first number, sign of addition, and the second number is 5. That's why we are placing 5 under ones because place value of 5 is ones. So we will place here. So now start addition. Always remember students that addition always starts from ones place. So we will start from ones place. The number is 4 plus 5. What is the answer of 4 plus 5? Yes, it's 9. Now jump to tens. We will not jump to 100. No, first we will jump to tens. How many numbers are on tens? 3. And on second line there is no number because 5 is one digit number. So we will think that it is a 0. So 3 plus 0 is 3. Yes. In the same hundreds, 1 plus 0 is 1. The answer will be 139. I'm again saying you can use your fingers also for the single digit number. Now let's come to our second topic. Add 3 digit number and 2 digit number. So let's learn more by an example. Add 134 and 15. Arrange in columns. So there are the columns. At first again the same manner. HTO, we will write HTO. Then the first number and then the second number. Second number is 15, 2 digit number. So we will place according to their place value. Means tens and ones only. In hundreds there is no number. We can imagine it as 0. So we will start again from the ones place. Do remember we will start from the ones place. Always addition start from ones place. 4 plus 5 is 9. Now tens, 3 plus 1 is 4. Now hundreds, 1 plus 0 is 1. The answer will be 149. Thus 134 plus 15 is 149. Now come to our third topic. Our third topic is add a 3 digit number and a 3 digit number. Means both the numbers will be of 3 digit. Let's have a look with an example. 134 and 215. We have to add both these numbers 134 and 215. Arrange in columns as both the numbers are 3 digit. So it's simple. We will write HTO 134 addition sign 215. Now start adding it from ones place. I am repeating from ones place. 4 plus 5 is 9. 3 plus 1 is 4 and 1 plus 2 is 3. So the answer is 349. Thus 134 plus 215 is equals to 349. Isn't it easy? You have learned all the 3 topics. Now it's practice time. Arrange and solve the following. Recall and practice time. Recall means you have already learned in grade 1. There are 4 questions in this sheet. Question number 1 is based on your grade 1 knowledge. Question number 2, 3 and 4 are based on your today's knowledge. You have to solve these questions in your notebook. Here comes the fun. Let's have some fun. It's time for fun activity now. Are you ready? So here is the activity. Add the following and then color the butterfly according to the answers. So here are the colors and the sums given to you. It's not easy, dear. So you have to solve the sums first. Then according to the answers, you have to color this beautiful butterfly. Okay, for example, red 10 plus 9. 10 plus 9 means it's 19. So wherever 19 is written, you have to color red there. This you can do in your notebooks. Now, after fun activity, after learning all these things, it's time to think more. Time to think now. So here are few questions you have to solve. All the questions are easy, but you have to use little bit of your mind. Jaise question number 1, write 2 pairs of numbers which will give the sum 157. In each pair there should be 1 digit number and a 3 digit number. For example, 157. If I take 156 plus 1, so 156 is 3 digit number and 1 is one digit number. And if I add both the numbers, the answer will be 157. Now the second is write two pairs of numbers which will give the same answer 246. So for example, but in this one number should be 2 digit and one number should be 3 digit. So for example, I will take 235 and 11. 235 is 3 digit number and 11 is 2 digit number. If I add both the numbers, I will get 246. Now come to the third one. The answer should be 463. But here both the numbers should be of 3 digit. It's easy. So for example, if I take 352 and 111. So if I add both the numbers, I will get 463 and both the numbers are 3 digit numbers. It's simple now, but you have to create more examples of that by your own. Do these 3 questions in your notebook. Think about it and do it. Always remember to wear mask and maintain social distance when you step out of your house. Stay safe. Drink lots of water as it's summer. Hope you all enjoyed the session. Thanks for listening.